So what injuries can happen from a car accident? I'm Dr. Eric Janowitz, and I've evaluated thousands of auto accident cases. Now, let's talk about just a rear end collision for today. Let me show you here. Normally the spine should be nice and straight from front to back, and from the side you should have curves, a forward curve in your neck, a backwards curve in your mid-back, and then a forward curve in your lower back. Now when you're hit from behind, that's going to cause your neck to whip back. And as that whips back, that's going to cause pressure and jamming into these joints in your neck, oftentimes leading to a lot of pain. But that's not just it. What it also causes is your head to whip forward, and as your head whips forward, that can oftentimes cause pressure to the disc, leading to disc bulges or herniations or protrusions. Now, it's not just the neck that gets aggravated through an injury. When we look at this other chart here, we can see that that also can cause damage to the neck, causing headaches as well. In addition to brain challenges as well, not to mention shoulder issues, elbow issues, wrist issues from the steering wheel, or a lap belt as well can cause abdominal or lower back issues, the low back jamming into the seat, not to mention knee or ankle or foot issues as well. So there's a lot more that can happen as a result of an accident. And it's really important that you get checked early, because the faster you get checked, the easier it is to heal. And if you live in Florida, then you got to realize that there's a 14-day rule to see a doctor, so you want to make sure that you get checked promptly. Now, if you have any questions, please subscribe to our other videos or give us a call. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.